Let's see following activities that occur in our workplace. Jennifer is taking a rest sitting her desk for a few minutes. Sarah is texting to her boyfriend for a minute while having some fruits. Jane is talking with her coworkers for her personal issue during last weekend. These activities are pretty popular and common in our workplace, almost everywhere we can see in our workplace. However, simultaneously, these kind of activities are not welcomed by employers because they think those behaviors are not directly related to work. Sometimes they consider those behaviors as deviant behaviors, such as counterproductive behaviors. It occurs every workplace, but even we, like scholars or researchers, have given any answer related to this issue. Yes, my study will give an answer related to this issue. Employees' non-work related behaviors during working hours are called micro-break activity. That term was suggested by previous researcher Fritz and colleagues and Travapas and colleagues. My study focused how micro-break activities play a role in recovery process during the work because the main reason why employees do engage in these kind of micro-break activities for refreshment or being away from their work-related stressor. The key feature of micro-break activity is it is occurred within very short time, such as 2 or 3 minutes. I actually divided 4 types of micro-break activity. Relaxing activities such as taking a rest or stretching. Energy intake activities such as caffeinated beverage consumption and snacking. Social activity such as texting, accessing SNS such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, or chatting with coworkers with non-work related issue. I collected data from 86 white-collar job holders, all full-time job workers in South Korea. They were asked to fill in 2 online survey forms for 10 working days. Time 1 asked their daily work demands, and time 2 asked their daily micro-break activity and their negative effect. Our finding indicates that relaxing, caffeinated intake activity and social activities buffer the positive relationship between daily work demands and daily negative effect at work. It's such that individuals who engage in more micro-break activities experience less negative effect under higher work demands. According to these figures, this is a simple slope test. So this is a lower relaxing activity holder and high relaxing activity holders. We can see high relaxing activity holders, they experience the less negative effect under when their work demands are increased. Also, same patterns for social activity and caffeinated beverage consumption. My study gives us several implications and practical insights. Especially managers and employers should change the perspective on employees' micro-break activity. This study implied that employees' micro-break activity may play a role in recovery process on the job. So employees' non-work related behaviors are not always harmful for organizations and should be reconsidered the policy-making process. Employees immediately experience their recovery process on the job throughout the various types of micro-break activities, and they can get away from their work-related stressors. We now work for a very sophisticated and professional area with the development of technology, and employees' immediate recovery process on the job is necessary to avoid very negative states such as fatigue and burnout. This micro-break activity can be a good answer and solution for this issue. Thank you.